First of all, you need to click on the Windows search icon and type in settings, then open this app here. And then when you're in here, just click on privacy and security, and then click on Windows security and in the security section. And here, in the section of the protection areas, click on virus and threat protection. And then here, right in the middle, click on virus, or at virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings. And then scroll down to the very bottom, and here in the section exclusions, Microsoft Defender, antivirus, won't scan items that have been excluded. Just click on add or remove exclusions, and then click on yes, or confirm it with administrator rights, and then click on add an exclusion, and here click on folder, and then just search in this PC, and then click on your local disk where your Rockstar Games launcher is installed, or your Rockstar Games data is installed. In my case, this will be in the program files, and then just scroll down until you see Rockstar Games, and then just select this folder and click on select folder, and that's already it. We should be able to start our Rockstar Games launcher again, and also our GTA 5 again. That's really it. Hope this helped you guys. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment and I will write you back as soon as possible, and we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.